Welcome back to Anointed Lady TV, my good people. Welcome back to your number one channel for legit news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside our white, green country, so we be Nigeria. And once again, we don't come with breaking news, we don't come with updates, we don't come with fresh information we go like share give the general public. And the cocoa now be say, supporters of Governor Siminalayi Fubara under the aegis of Simplified Movement don come outside come declare their support for our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's action in the ongoing Rivers State crisis. Now, this show of support dey mark a reversal from their earlier criticisms of our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's role in the political standoff wey don rock Rivers State in the recent months. Men wey be say before they dey criticize our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, dem dey yarn say his decision on emergency rule and the things now wey don do so far for inside Rivers State, e no nice at all, e no legit, e no make sense, make him take am back. Now those same men, they don backtrack. Those same men now, they don do U-turn. They don go dey praise our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. They don dey yarn say omo that things wey he do, no minus, e thing nice, no be small, e good. And this declaration so was made during an Easter praise section organized by the Simplified Movement, and dem na a grassroots political group wey dey loyal to the suspended governor of the state wey be Sir Siminalayi Fubara. And no be lie, my good people, you see this event wey men begin dey declare their support for our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, this Easter praise section now wey men organize, dem do am across all 23 local government areas of Rivers State simultaneously. And for inside the event so, music come board, prayers too come board, and also appeals for divine intervention in Rivers State political future also plaster. And then addressing supporters at the Aoda rally, one countryman wey dey go by the name Stephen Iwu, he na a key figure in the movement. He na come last draw inspiration from the Easter celebration, and he na come dey yarn say as men know very well say na Easter Sunday night be our Lord Jesus Christ, our Father, don resurrect, and dem now don plaster, dem now don gather to celebrate the resurrection of Baba God, and dem now dey yarn to make Baba God also celebrate them just as him dey celebrate mankind, so that last him go fit make am possible for their governor wey be Sir Sim Fubara to come back to office. And they believe 100 say Baba God go fit run am for them, because na only him last na go fit run am for them. And the possibility for their prayers now to come board, the possibility of all these levels now wey dem yarn to be last made established, when to come to pass, no be their hand e dey, no be by their power at all, but na by the authority, na by the power of Baba God. That na why they don gather. Meanwhile, one country person wey dey go by the name Ovi Chukwuma, he na the suspended commissioner for education, and also he na dey very much loyal to Sir Siminalayi Fubara. He na come dey compare the things wey the governor dey go through. He na come dey compare the political struggles of the suspended governor to the resurrection story at the heart of the Easter message. And according to how he take yarn, he say men been try to bury them for inside Rivers State too, but them now don come outside to tell the world that they are very much alive. Rivers State also is very much alive, and Rivers State dey stand with Governor Siminalayi Fubara. Now, my good people, anyhow this matter be you for body, or if you be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, so no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put down your comments inside our comment section. But meanwhile, Mr. get another report for table, Mr. get another information I go like share give the general public. And the cocoa be say, one countryman wey dey go by the name RI0US, he na human rights activist. He na don come outside come spark a fresh wave of political controversy. Women dey yarn say there is power in the tongue, no be lie at all. Oga RI0US now don use talk wey come outside from him mouth dey send shock waves through the political circles of this our green country, so maybe Nigeria. Countrymen now don dey get goosebumps sake of the things wey come outside from the mouth of this country person. And wetin him talk be say, after seeing that nobody go fit defeat Atiku Abubakar for inside we nation Nigeria, men now come introduce Mr. Peter Obi so that they go last steal his vote to become the president of this our green country wey be Nigeria. He now dey yarn dey give countrymen say the candidacy of Mr. Peter Obi wasn't about genuine ambition, but na tactical move to divide the force, to divide the support base of Mr. Atiku Abubakar, and to weaken his chances of winning the election, thereby making way for Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Oga RI0US no stammer at all when he dey yarn all these levels. He no mix his word when he come outside dey yarn say Mr. Peter Obi was very much handpicked, not to win the election, no be to win the election na dem pick am for, no, but why dem choose am, why dem pick am for the election na to distract voters and reduce the chances of Oga Atiku Abubakar. Na him now dey yarn dey give men for inside we nation say men no want make Atiku win the election and dem no wan still play fair. So as dem look up, look down, look left, look right, they no know what to do. They come introduce, they come establish a spoiler. They come inject man wey be say dey come to come scatter ground for Atiku Abubakar. Now if e be say the things and things wey dey proceed out of the mouth of Oga Omoyele Sowore na legit, that is to say political figures, political elite don revise, don whine Nigerians once again, and he sef no even stop there. Im proceed further dey describe the popularity of Mr. Peter Obi during the election season as partly manufactured. Im now dey yarn say behind the scenes for backstage, the goal of Mr. Peter Obi, the reason why men carry Mr. Peter Obi come board na to come dilute the support of the PDP candidate wey be Atiku Abubakar in key regions. Oga Omoyele Sowore now dey suggest say that strategy e work perfectly. The thing do wonders sake of say as Mr. Peter Obi now come plaster, the man now come gather massive support from youth and urban voters dem. And normally those youth, those urban voters, they suppose to vote for Atiku Abubakar. That is assuming they no vote for Mr. Peter Obi, na Atiku Abubakar na dey for support. And still according to Oga Omoyele Sowore, this manipulation of public sentiment is a reoccurring tactic. That is no be today e start. Those men wey dey in power don dey use am all over and all over again. They dey use am to take confuse the masses. Men dey use am take dey whine the general public. Meanwhile, the real change wey the general public dey find, the real change wey the general public dey gree for, men never ready to introduce am. Men never even ready to bring the change come outside. And until countrymen dem wake up, until dem realize, until dem master the games wey the political figures dem dey play, so we go keep running in circles. We go keep repeating the same mistake all over and all over again. Now this explosive statement now wey Oga Omoyele Sowore just drop, so the thing now don resurrect the para wey bin dey men body. The thing now don spark reactions across social media. Many countrymen now dey question the true intent behind the obedient movement. This my good people, now the informate wey I wan share give the general public. Now anyhow this matter be for body, or if you be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, so no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put down your comment inside our comment section. Once again, we na Anointed Lady TV. Our hobby now to dey give una legit news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country, so maybe Nigeria. And now if you be say you like this updates and you would like to dey receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to Anointed Lady TV and don't forget to put on the notification bell. It is very much important so that as we bring more news dey come your side, now you go first receive the updates and you go even get am sharp. Now me dey come back with more news, me dey come back with more reports, me dey come back with more informate for you my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.